This is Brandy 101. Brandy was originally named brandewijn or Dutch for burnt wine. It is believed that brandy was invented by a sailor, who accidentally stored his wine in the furnace to save space. This supposedly gave birth to brandy. Now it is important to note that even though cognac is brandy, not all brandy is cognac. In order for a brandy to be called a cognac, the metamorphose of grape to wine and wine to brandy must occur in the cognac region of France. Brandy is made by distilling fermented fruit juice. All brandies are made the same way. A mash of fruit undergoes fermentation to become a wine that is then distilled and usually aged before bottling. There are many types of brandy. We will examine a few. Spanish brandy is typically sweeter and bears hints of caramel. Armagnac is produced in the Gascony area of France. Armagnac is made from grapes in 3 different regions: Ténarèze, which is a major producer of light brandy; Haut Armagnac, which produces blended brandies; and Basse Armagnac, which produces the best Armagnacs. Grappa is an Italian spirit, considered to be a fruit brandy. Grappa is an Italian brandy that is formed by distilling the residue of grapes and fruit left after the final pressing for wine. Calvados is a fermented apple cider-based brandy. Calvados is the most northern region in Normandy. Often pears and other fruit is added during the production. The fruit must be added properly in the traditional fashion and fermented for at least 6 weeks. Like cognac, Calvados must be distilled twice, in order for it to be a true Calvados. Then aged in oak for 6 to 10 years. Kirsch is cherry brandy made in Europe. Kirsch has more of a distinctive flavor of fruit compared to its brandy counterpart. Kirsch is a pear-flavored brandy, which is produced in Alsace and Germany. Fairly distinctive in flavor because the fruit flavor is obtained by adding an extract or a concentrate of the fruit. Cognac is defined as a grape brandy distilled in the Cognac region of France, which is entitled to be so designated by the law and regulations of the French government. Cognacs are aged in casks made of Limousin oak. Any cognacs aged less than 2 years will not be transported to the United States. Cognac is made with the highest quality of grape. The first, VS, or very special or very superior, which is aged 2.5 years, is considered to be 3 stars. The second is VSOP, or very special, superior, old pale, which is aged for 4 years, is considered to be 4 stars. The oldest of the cognacs is XO, or extra old or Napoleon, which is aged for 6 years, considered to be the highest quality. When serving any type of brandy, serve it into a brandy snifter neat. They can be served on the rocks but not necessary. Fine brandies go very well with foie gras, meat pâtés, and earthy well-aged cheeses.